is after 1 minute, 2 strikes. The first one hit the lower back, and the second one hit the upper abdomen on the bottom side. After 30 seconds, it started convulsing and lost most motor skills. And now, 2 minutes after, the mouse appears to be dead. That's contortrix, southern copperhead, male, roughly around 2 foot. This is a southern copperhead, one just previously seen eating the mouse. It is Agricistrodon contortrix. Copperheads are considered by some to be one of the less venomous of the North American hot reptiles. They're believed to be not as dangerous due to the fact that their fangs are much smaller and they produce a smaller amount of venom. However, a bite is no laughing matter. It's still a venomous snake. It can still seriously screw you over. Their venom is hemotoxic, which breaks down blood cells. Cytotoxic, destroys tissue, such as skin tissue, muscle tissue. And some believe they may also be myelotoxic, which destroys bone marrow. It's said that less than 0.3% of copperhead bites are considered fatal. So, they're still venomous snakes. They can still seriously hurt you. And it's going to be, if anything, very, very expensive. Anti-venin is very expensive nowadays. And this is a southern copperhead. They have the current record for the copperhead species, reaching an adult length of about 52 inches. That's the record, not average. He's a very pissy specimen. He doesn't like riding a hook very well. And some say that they're very good starter venomous snakes because they're considered less fatal. However, it's still a venomous snake. It should not be taken lightly, even if it's not quite as dangerous as most other venomous snakes. Not something you want to just go and pick up with your bare hands. They can do some damage. He's about 2.5 feet long. He is about reportedly 4 years old. He is a male. And this is his home. They're a woodland type species, so they prefer cooler temperatures, usually between 72, 75 for the ambient temperature, with a slightly higher level for the basking temperature. They are primarily nocturnal to a point during some parts of the year. During cooler months, they can be seen moving about during the day. And his little tail's going back there because he thinks he's a rattlesnake. So once again, it's still a venomous snake. Even if you want to get into hots, venomous snakes, you don't want to take them lightly because you don't want to get bit. Even if some people say, oh, they're not that bad. Well, they're still venomous. So just be very, very careful. It'd be best if you could get some kind of help from someone who actually keeps venomous snakes and knows what they're doing. And it's very good to also know your local emergency room number, just in case.